The benefits of drinking lemon water with honey every day. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a refreshing topic that's not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your health. We're talking about the fantastic benefits of drinking lemon water with honey every day. This simple yet powerful combination can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. So, grab a glass, and let's explore why you might want to make this a daily ritual. 1. Boosts immunity. One of the primary benefits of lemon water with honey is its ability to boost your immune system. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for a strong immune response. Vitamin C helps to stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are crucial in fighting off infections and diseases. Honey, on the other hand, has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties that can further enhance your body's defense mechanisms. Together, this duo provides a potent immune-boosting cocktail. 2. Aids digestion. Starting your day with lemon water and honey can do wonders for your digestive system. Lemons contain citric acid, which helps to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes. This can lead to better digestion and a more efficient breakdown of food. Honey acts as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. This combination can help alleviate common digestive issues like bloating and constipation. 3. Supports weight loss. If you're looking to shed a few pounds, lemon water with honey can be a valuable ally. Lemon water can help to flush out toxins from your body and boost your metabolism. Honey, while sweet, has a lower glycemic index compared to refined sugars, meaning it won't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This can help control cravings and reduce your overall calorie intake. Additionally, the combination of lemon and honey can help to detoxify your liver, further supporting weight loss efforts. 4. Improves skin health. The antioxidants found in lemons and honey can work wonders for your skin. Vitamin C in lemons helps to combat free radicals that can cause premature aging and skin damage. Honey, with its moisturizing and antibacterial properties, can help to keep your skin hydrated and clear. Regular consumption of lemon water with honey can contribute to a glowing complexion and reduce the appearance of blemishes and wrinkles. 5. Enhances hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health, and lemon water with honey can make this process more enjoyable. Water is a crucial component of almost every bodily function, and adding lemon and honey not only makes it tastier, but also provides additional nutrients. Drinking this combination regularly can help maintain optimal hydration levels and support various bodily functions, from regulating body temperature to maintaining joint health. 6. Freshens breath. Lemon water with honey can also help freshen your breath. Lemons have natural antibacterial properties that can help kill bacteria in your mouth, reducing bad breath. Honey's antimicrobial effects can further contribute to oral health. Sipping on this concoction in the morning can leave your mouth feeling fresh and clean. 7. Balances pH levels. Despite their acidic taste, lemons have an alkalizing effect on the body once digested. They help to balance the body's pH levels, reducing acidity and promoting a more alkaline environment. This can be beneficial for overall health and may help prevent conditions related to high acidity, such as acid reflux and inflammation. How to make lemon water with honey. Making this refreshing drink is incredibly simple. Here's a quick recipe to get you started. Ingredients: 1 cup of warm water, juice of half a lemon. 2 teaspoons of raw honey, adjust to taste. Instructions: 1. Heat the water until it's warm but not boiling. 2. Squeeze the juice from half a lemon into the warm water. 3. Stir in 2 teaspoons of raw honey until it's fully dissolved. 4. Enjoy your lemon water with honey either in the morning or throughout the day. Tips for best results. Use organic lemons and raw honey for maximum health benefits. Drink the mixture on an empty stomach for better absorption. Adjust the amount of lemon and honey to suit your taste preferences. Incorporating lemon water with honey into your daily routine can offer a multitude of health benefits, from boosting your immune system to improving skin health. It's a simple, yet effective way to enhance your overall well-being. So why not give it a try? Start your day with this invigorating drink and experience the positive changes for yourself. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips and wellness advice. Share your experiences with lemon water and honey in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.